Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to change the notification sound for group messages on WhatsApp. Whether you want a unique tone to distinguish your group chats or simply want a fresh sound, it's quick and easy to set up. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look towards the top right corner. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on them to open a menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp experience. Next, tap on Notifications. This section is where you can manage all your notification preferences for messages, calls, and group chats. Scroll down until you find the Groups section. Under this section, you'll see an option labeled Notification Tone. Tap on it. Now comes the fun part, choosing your new tone. A list of available notification sounds will appear. Browse through them and select the one that best suits your preference. Once you've made your choice, simply confirm it, and your new notification tone will be set for all group messages. And that's it! You've successfully customized the notification sound for your WhatsApp group chats. This small tweak can make a big difference in helping you stay organized and ensuring that group notifications stand out from individual messages. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your personalized WhatsApp experience.